We'll guide you through how to boost mic volume in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
This can be really annoying because people then can't go and properly hear you, or maybe you're trying to go and record something. For the first fix, right click on this sound icon in the bottom right and press sound settings, or open up your settings, go to system and then sound. Scroll to the bottom and find more sound settings and click there. You'll get this pop-up, come into recording. What you need to do is go and find your mic, select it and press properties. Go and press levels. Try increasing the volume here, and you may also see a boost bar which you can use as well. Make the adjustments by increasing it, then press apply and press OK and see if that solves the problem. Next, we're going to get an app. Open up a web browser and we can come to a search engine, and you want to go and type in Equalizer APO like so, and we can come to this site at the top. We can go and press download to the left here. It's been blocked, but I'm going to click on it in the top right and press download unverified file. When it's finished downloading, open up your file explorer and click the downloads on the left, and you can then find Equalizer APO. Go and run it and install it like any application. So select your microphone and press OK in the bottom right. Press search at the bottom and you can type in for Equalizer APO configuration editor. Go and click on it, and then we can go to device in the top right and select your mic. Now what you want to do is come to pre-amplification, and you can start going and increasing the gain here. For example, you could go and start with 6 and go and see if that makes it better, and you could go and start increasing it more if you need it to be louder. Hopefully you've managed to boost it and fix low volume.